Hi, I'm Tim Sheriff from Swanstrom Tools, and I want to show you a set of customized jaws for the Swanstrom locking jaw pliers. This is an example of a jaw that I've modified for drilling holes in round wire or round tubing. I just took a file, a square file, or a file with a sharp point on it, and filed a V-groove in the jaw. Then I drilled a hole right in the center of the V-groove and epoxied in a piece of stainless steel microtubing to act as a drill bushing. I can put a piece of wire in there now, and that centers the wire. The groove centers the wire onto the drill bushing. I've installed my modified jaw onto the plier, so I'll center the wire on the V-groove. And now I'm ready to drill. I've drilled a hole using the modified jaw with this stainless steel tubing as a drill bushing. And hopefully you can see that wire, and then this is a piece of tubing that I drilled also. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact Rio.